Alexa. Alexa. Stop. Stop. Jesus. It's 6:45 and I am still so tired, but I'm gonna go make coffee. You're balancing on literally the smallest thing. All right, I'm gonna change into my workout clothes right now because I'm gonna work out right now. I'm just gonna make coffee. Yeah, I'm just gonna wear like some workout pants and a hoodie. All right, I'm gonna change over here. Okay, I don't think I'm gonna wear makeup at all in this video. That is very annoying. I look like, that was a bit much. Too sexy for a shirt. Too sexy for a shirt. It hurts. Alright, we're gonna go make coffee. I just put my hair back up in a bun because, yay.
Watch me take a good thing to fuck it all up in one night. Alcohol, that shit never helps at all.
Why do I look like that? That's just me without makeup. Like, I feel like I'm scared that like people are not scared, but like people are gonna be like, you didn't actually work out. So here I am sweaty. Can you tell? Ew. I'm sorry. I just finished my 45-minute workout and now I'm gonna do just the 10-minute ab workout that I have left, and then I'm gonna go shower. I'll show some of the ab workout just so you can see it. Alright, I just finished my workout. I'm literally like drenched in sweat. That's not attractive at all. We're gonna go get some water and we're gonna go shower. Not us, but me. But I'm taking you with me. Not in the shower. You know what I mean. You want to go too, right? Yeah, because it's almost done. My plans are to deep condition. And then I'm gonna face mask. He literally does this every time I get out of the shower. Hi, hello, it is 10:47. Can you see that? Okay, cool, it's not gonna focus. My video went up. If you wanna go see it, you can go watch it. It's my back to school supplies video. My hair kind of looks like very voluptuous, you know what I mean? Just like, I mean, whatever. I was hoping my hair would have grown like a little bit more this summer. I mean, you can't rush it. Apple cider vinegar. Alright, we're gonna go put our hair up and stuff and then I'll show you when it's on. Yeah, I don't really have anything on my chest, but I put it there anyways. Yeah, I don't look the cutest, so I'll see you when I'm done with this face mask. I'm gonna take this off. I look so cute. This is Aaliyah's shirt. It fits me perfectly. All right, so I'm making the babies. Look at these huge tortillas, literally. So someone was like, I'm Mr. Potato, or saying I was Mr. Potato Head when he turned into a tortilla because he didn't have his potato body. I'm making the babies quesadillas for lunch because they're hungry.
Avocado, crispy bacon, and light fruit salad on the side over some ricotta cream.
This is very no
You're welcome.
plate. You're not embellished at all the way I would expect the chef to.
Hi, my mom just called me right now and said we're gonna film. She got Chick-fil-A. So I didn't want to wear makeup today, but I guess I'm gonna put makeup on. I'm not gonna put any face makeup on though. I'm just going to put my eyebrows and eyeliner. I'm gonna go get ready, even though I really don't want to. So I'm ready. I am so scared about tomorrow. Like, I'm excited, but scared at the same time, you feel me? I don't know. This is like a vlog, basically, because I'm just showing what I did today. We're gonna go to the store right now to buy my little sisters their shoes for school. Very last minute, I know. But we're gonna go get them shoes right now, and then we're gonna go to the store and just get like some laundry detergent. Things like that. So I use this Indian clay face mask at least 3 to 4 times a week because that's like the recommended amount of days a week for bad skin, which, so I asked him to order one and he did. He accidentally ordered 2. So whatever. I mean, I ain't complaining. And one of these lasted, I think, like 6 months. This is like a year, and I still have like at least 2 uses in my old one, or 1 maybe, depending on if my mom does it with me. But yeah, so right now we're gonna go to the store. I'm just wearing my Panic shirt and basketball shorts and my old Vans. Why am I blanking? My Aunt Stephanie, or girl, I call her girl, sorry. She uploaded a mukbang, and I literally watched the entire thing, and I was interested, so you should go check her out. I always have her in my description, like in every single video. I have her channel linked in the description, so you might know her as Angelina Spicy's sister. So yeah, and then that's that. I don't know, you should go subscribe to her, get her to 1,000. Hi, we just got back. That took like an hour and a half. I got some more socks, the same ones that I got, the crew ones. I'm pretty sure that this is the top. I don't know. I'm watching Twins while I'm putting this on.
I'm Peppa Pig.
Hit me.
Oh, so this is that. I'm gonna keep this on for an hour. I have to do laundry and I completely forgot, so I'm gonna go do that. I'm stressed right now. Now that my laundry is in, I'm gonna go do my hair. So it's just curly. This is my natural hair. I was gonna wear natural, but I was like, you wanna be extra because that's where I'm at right now. I'm gonna go do my hair. I'll see you right now. I'm done with my hair. It looks so good. Sorry, I have kind of like a lisp because you can feel it, but it's so soft. That's her hair before. It's very like, it looks sort of like crimped, you know what I mean? I'm watching Cutthroat Kitchen, guys. If you haven't seen that, I recommend it. Only if you want to be frustrated though, because it actually doesn't show the chef's talents.
Mom.
I just want to go to bed. I'm so fed up. Puma's hair was like a chore, dude. But right now I'm gonna use my lemon toner, the same face wash I use. This works really well, so I'll find it because I'm not trying to look the whole house for it now. I'm just gonna end this video. I'm gonna get my outfit ready first. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was just me preparing myself before school. It's sort of like a vlog too. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow morning when I get ready for school. Bye.